Whole heap of stress, man. Whole heap of pain and suffering just to get this money. Day two. Morning, good morning. We're up day 2. So we're up on the block mattress. Alright, I get the next bed. You see me? And I'm about to let out my bed. Yo, wait. Wait, no bush, man. What? Yo, man, I mash up with my bed, you know, man, yo. That bush, man.
You're in the boat.
Bush.
Storm. See?
Yeah, you with them, man?
That's how it feels.
Man, I mash
You
up.
haven't been in the boat.
Sinking in the ground, bro.
Not anymore.
That boy, yeah, man. Yo, this man, I wake and the man just jump on the mattress and fly it up in the air. How could I do it, man? So, yeah. I'm on flat grounds right now.
Good morning, Yorkers.
Yes, sir. Where they? Sriracha there.
Workers now, yeah, I'm saying.
Yeah, man. We go outside and get some food, eat. Try to go to the gym, put in a session right. Try to go get the car wash and them things. You see me? And my back like my out, because you don't care for you. Who you, man? In the morning. Took this with me so I can have it as breakfast. My protein powder. So 2 scoops of my protein powder. Yes sir. This will last me for the entire 7 days that I'm here. Go with some creatine. This help with strength and them stuff, you know. Good for the gym. So go in it. A scoop, 5 grams. Help with vascularity and help with strength. Of course, some water, about a cup of water. Go. Alright. Well, I get some food for you right now. Yeah, beer breeze a blow, so lag back in. So I head to the bank right now, see if we can get some money withdraw because my credit card keeps on declining. If we can withdraw, and I didn't come here with no cash. Roger came with cash, but he only came with Canadian dollars, and they don't take Canadian dollars here. Unlike Canada, we take US. We need to stop that. We accept US money and them not accept Canadian money. No.
Yes, we need to stop the discrimination about Canadian money and
I don't know where we are. We're just searching for a bank right now. Bank of America, they say. I don't really know where we are. We're just on a street.
Mini Italy.
They say this feels like mini Italy. Food out by the front, that thing. Yeah. When people see we back out the camera, they must know so we don't come from here, you know. But yeah, Bank of America, where is it? It's down there. Yeah, I'll try to withdraw some money. Man. So they're on the street. I'll turn on the camera and show them the place, yeah? You can comment below and tell me where I'm at, because I don't know. Oh, it says Alexandra McLean, I don't know. Am I in Brooklyn? Yeah, am I in Yonkers? Am I in Bronx? I don't know where I'm at, bro. Oh, yeah. So yeah, this bank is under construction, but Bank of America Let's go in and withdraw some money.
Americani? Come on, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. You know what I'm doing. So that's the bank. No, I'm not going inside there. This year. 18. Roger wants to try Dunkin' Donuts. Is it worth it? So yeah, he wants to try Dunkin' Donuts. So let's go. Just went into the bank. I didn't get through with nothing because they're saying I can't withdraw any money from the bank machine. When I go to Jamaica, I can't withdraw money in Jamaica. So I'm going to have to send Roger some money through MoneyGram and let him pick it up for me right now. That's what I'm going to do. Quick update. We're here tallying up monies because we're checking our budget. Biggest thing, once you enter in the US, obviously everybody will do this, but we didn't. Last minute we did. Roger brought US Canadian dollars. They don't exchange Canadian dollars in the bank here. Nowhere we can find to change the Canadian dollars to US dollars, whereas we do that in Canada, so I'm gonna understand. Second thing, I try to withdraw money at the bank machine with my Canadian bank card. They won't allow me. But when I'm in Jamaica, I usually use my Canadian card and withdraw money, but they give me Jamaican currency. So I'd say if you're coming here, try your best to have enough cash that you're going to be spending for your budget. Because we use the credit card, but after a while, the credit card company stop us or even we call sometimes. They still free it up on the call, but for me personally, I don't like to use my credit card to make too much purchase because sometimes you may get carried away. You don't follow a budget. So to follow a budget, when you have cash in hand, you take out this much amount. That's how I work. And I say, okay, this is for today, that's for tomorrow. So I know how I'm spending. So if I'm purchasing something and it's over that budget, then I know to stop there. You know what I say?
Not really hard, so it's not like we need it. But just in case, we can use card definitely, but it's just like we just don't want we overspend because me when my eyes shine it, I like it. Grab it.
Yeah.
I want to keep it on low budget, so when we come back home, I don't have to work so much hard to pay for that.
Yeah, true.
Not again. I learned my lesson because it took me about half a year to pay all my debt.
Yeah.
When I go to the vacation, when I go back home, I loaned three grand, right? I borrowed 3 grand. Not enough. I loaned 2 more. That's my 5. So like my budget was 8 grand, and I was just
that's crazy.
I was just like only been working for a year.
But the trip to Philippines is just probably over 2,000 for your airfare alone.
Airfare alone is 1,500 going up. It depends on airlines you go and your pocket money for a month. Because if you go there for 2 weeks, it's not worth it. Like you're gonna spend.
It's not worth the airfare.
I mean, it worth it and not worth it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. For us, we always go for a month because the fare is so expensive, and you're just gonna get for two weeks. Like, no, like, you know, like, might as well to like, if you're gonna spend, just spend it.
Can't pay 1,500 for airfare.
So that's what happened, my dudes.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna try to get cash and spend cash moving forward. So to stay on a more budget friendly type of vibe. But definitely,
worse and worse, I'll just stand by there in the center island in the highway and
beg money
with a cup.
You stand on the island with a cup and just beg money and say, from Canada, I need money for bus trip to go home. The amount of stress we went through to get this money just now, but we finally got cash in hand, you know? Look at that. USD, my guys. Yeah. Whole heap of stress, man. Whole heap of pain and suffering just to get this money through MoneyGram, but we lit. Every day we lit. Every day we lit. Every day we lit.
Hold on. Where the music there?
Every day we lit. Every day we lit. You can't tell me nothing. Is it? I want to do this, man. Come in, my brother asked me, bro. Like, let's go see the guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1,300.
Here.
Oh, $1.
Here.
Yeah.
So that's done. I'll pay
There you go, my boy.
Every day we lit.
All right, we don't owe you nothing.
Hold on. Well, brother. Oh shit.
Yeah.
With the New Yorker there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Let's go, bro.
Where's my 60 cents, boy?
I don't have it. I'm broke. Let's go! So yeah, with the Ota and Raja get the car washed right now. Because the man I love keep them car washed. I tell you something, I help him wash. I help him pay for washing. But I don't wash the car because I wash my car. My car got car wash. But I the G there so same way. You see? Yeah, man. I go on easy on the block. Same way. I try to go to the Brooklyn Bridge in a few minutes. So just like you update as the day progress. We can't get to go do the tour around the Statue of Liberty. Because if we get the money a while ago from MoneyGram, took about 2 hours and all of that. So check back in. So we're out on the front and I get some food. Raja done washing car. Come in now, let me see your car. Come in now, I'm to the youth, man. Raja just washing car and I eat some. We see my eat some food. So curry chicken and rice and peas. I will ask you when you get it so. Then I get jerk chicken and Jay I get jerk pork so. I call it. Oh, we can still make it downtown, brother? On the train? Can still make it on the train? See your money, Anash. Can still make it on the train?
Absolutely, yes.
So I see what I go on. I try to take a train and go to the Brooklyn Bridge. What time now? About 6 o'clock.
Good, right?
I have jerk pork and rice and peas. Food look good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good?
Yeah, man, good, man.
Oh, it look good. I have some jerk chicken. Food look good.
Oh, just chicken.
And you can stand this straight on the grill and I'm back to.
I am back there.
Yeah, man, it look good. It look good, it look good.
Yeah, man.
You got them people there. So I'm going to head on the subway right now. Get in a train right now, yeah? Forget the subway, if we go up on the bridge. Let's go. So we're going to head to the Brooklyn Bridge right now. Going up. Alright, so Manhattan on the Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn. And we're heading down. This is the train we're going on?
I haven't taken the train TTC before. It's been a long time.
That time.
Long time since I had a car.
Our train, if I saw one on the train, look before train nicer.
Yeah?
Yeah, clean and luxurious. Yeah, man. Our train mad, brother. They always tell us, don't turn up close to the train track or people will push off. You see me?
The US train is just like plane.
Yeah, our train is nice, bro.
Nice.
No?
Nice and clean.
I know that thing.
It's better like
Yeah.
this. It's easy to clean.
Hey?
Time to take it there now.
Yeah, it's easy to clean like this, eh? I like with the
We have
cloth.
Everyone, welcome aboard. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next stop. We'll see you down in for our session. Have a safe day.
The J, that is fun. How much time you take it to? Huh?
Hmm?
How much time you take it to?
Long time.
Right, I have my video, man. Right, so we just take one train, East 80th Street. Yeah.
It's right here.
Next one is gonna be the 5 train, the 2 train, 5 train, and we're about the Brooklyn Bridge. It's getting dark. Hopefully we'll see how long they look with the lights. You see, it's just there, so. So the train land. Yeah, them say the plane land. The train land. City Hall, Brooklyn Bridge. City Hall, Brooklyn Bridge. Let's go. We're at the Brooklyn Bridge, baby. In your town. Listen, you can vicariously live through me, okay? Never been to America, New York. This is what it's like. Me and you are experiencing this together, right? show no wagwan. Yeah, Dread. Look cool, but you still bring me out for the place, you see me? Yeah, man, I said work, man. And then we have Roger phone, head down in a phone. Outside, cool and all these things. Place look empty. Imagine rush hour when you have to get busy, eh? So you have to pay if you go through here, sir? Huh? Bro, what the blood is that? Cool. Nice. Yo, recording the next trip to Rochester so we can get it. So yeah, we're in the city right now. We have Andre about the place.
Up top.
Yeah man, now we have Rochester Vita, you know, you see it. My man I record me, so we're at the city hall about to approach the Brooklyn Bridge in the night. Yeah. You ready I know, Jed? Come here, you know. What point? Yeah. If you want to get married, that is the spot, City Hall. No big wedding. I know some ladies love a big wedding, but that's the hall to go. Right before the Brooklyn Bridge. Look on these big old tower, New York, whatever that is. Whoa. Yeah, man, so that is it. We're at the City Hall. We're going to approach the Brooklyn Bridge now. When I live through no boy, man, don't worry yourself. I got you. We're outside. And these are the bikes, so you say just rent trade, right? You can just rent them bike, yeah. Yeah. So, city life, bright lights. It's like 50 cent signal. Bright lights, city lights. Yeah, man. A box truck like this, you can't talk, Jed? Box truck like this. Oh, and them we used to drive. Then the big one there, we go see them, man. What's happening in the city? Eh? Oh, then they are Oh. So yeah, we're outside, man. I'm gonna save my battery because my battery is dying. You know where we are gonna stop. Raja, come in, are you? The city. So the Brooklyn Bridge approaching steadily. I think night is a good view. Day would be a good view too, but the night view is nice. Okay, that's what the bridge looks like in the bright time. Yeah. Now we have, we can buy souvenirs for Jamir. Hold on, AJ. We want to buy something for Jamir. Yeah. Hold on, sir. I buy one New York taxi cream or something.
Volkswagen.
You know what, I'm call him and see if you want. I'm for just choose him because I know him. Oh, he like Globe, you know? New York. What? Who's selling here?
Yes, sir.
You're selling here?
Yeah.
Oh, how much is this?
15.
15? What do you have that's kids friendly? What about this one?
10.
10? Yeah. That's the best price?
Yeah, good. It's in front of you.
For my son. Don't let the kids down, man. Yeah. Hold on. Alright. Inside money, Javier. I love money, you know. Fridge sticker. I'll find something for you, man. So yeah, I got a few keychains, to give out. So yeah, that's it. So Brooklyn, man, not Manhattan. You did a Brooklyn, right, Jed? Brooklyn with it. Yeah, you must have Manhattan. This is not Manhattan. Manhattan Brooklyn Bridge, you know? Oh, that makes sense. Oh. I tell you yesterday, so only on TV. You see like the NYPD. Now we're here, right? Now we're here. Is it? Yeah, so outside not that cold like last night and tonight I see him level. I try to call back thing tomorrow, brother, because I want to meet me as Yes, so we just approached the bridge. We are now on the Brooklyn Bridge. The famous Brooklyn Bridge. The underhead passing. Yeah. Famous. What's up, boy? You see a company bridge, right? Not sure?
Huh?
The company bridge, right? Eh? Jaja. Yeah, nah. When I just come to Canada, that me go up on most of the places them, you know? When I just come to Canada, I go most of the places them. I just go there, so now I'm not really going nowhere, because I don't explore and see already. I two same bridge, you know, Brooklyn Bridge, you know, but guess what? One of them don't have no tourists over there, so. Two of them look the same. Yeah, man. Outside is very cold. Right, Johnny? I take a picture right there so you to the flag back of me, you see me? Alright, I take a picture right there, so. So this is pretty much it. I'm gonna reach further more, I'll show you guys. Yo, this people, listen to me. Some life out there, Philip. You hear me I say to you, no? Just please do the right thing and stay focused, here. Whenever they think some of the forward of them places here, enough people make it look like you the forward of them places. And I don't want to sound like I'm frightened, because I'm not frightened. It's just, you're excited, it feels good. If be doing the things that people tell you can't do, so don't put no limitation upon yourself. With the America, you see me? With the America, place in tell us how could go. Tazzy and Pauline, Black Boy. Me, same one, man. We outside, man. So you see this? Me I talk to you who are watch this, you know. These are not the only thing you want in life, but just things where you aspire. I always love traveling. So here I am, traveling. Apart from Canada was my first country I've ever traveled to. America is the second of many to come. You see me I say, but me just encouraging and say just go and hold your head up, man. Go and work, don't listen to the naysayers and people tell you say you can't go somewhere because you're from a particular place. It's not where you are, but where you want to go. So just put in the work and do the right thing. Look at this. I'm outside. And you will too, soon. You see me I say? Roger's first time in the place. I link up with brother after 9 years. This never just happened overnight. You see me I say? 9 years in the making, I'm just get to see my brother. So 9 years ago, you would tell me something that the America, I walk with my brother, we tour in America. You see me? Things just take time. So I encourage you to just go and have faith, stay patient, and the thing will work out. Stay out of trouble. So no, you don't have no limitations. That's how you go. Yeah. So when the opportunity arises, you just jump at it. Yeah. Yeah, man. I just this market still in me good. See it there? The the engineers, the architectural work is just phenomenal, man. These are some proper tough steel, you know. This is phenomenal. Look at this. Look at this. My battery dead. We just got back in almost 1 a.m. Our phones died while we were on the bridge, but I'm telling you, that Brooklyn Bridge is just something to look at. The architectural work, all those engineers and architects that went in and did their thing. Amazing bridge, standing strong and just look good. This man said, I enjoyed the tour. Took some nice photos, may share a few if I get a hold of them by the time I get this video out. But all now was a good look. I'm very tired. They end up being good. We went on the train, have some fun, tired. I'm just reheating the food that I got today. And then after that now, I'll go hold a shower and call it a night. It's almost 1 a.m. Oh yeah, we're outside, actually inside. Look more.